A pleasant very good morning to my dear students. Today we are going to next exercise chapter 2 linear equations in one variable exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Solve the following questions. Dear children, exercise 2.2 completed. Exercise 2.3. Solve the following questions. First problem is 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. So here it is a LHS and it is a RHS. Already we learn in the 7th class also. It is LHS and it is a RHS. So here 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. It is the same variable. So possible of addition or subtraction. Power also same. Okay children. So 7x here 2 minus 2x equal to positive quantity becomes to negative quantity becomes to positive quantity. So 7x minus 2x equal to 5x as usual 5. Therefore x equal to, it is a multiplication quantity becomes to divided by quantity. X equal to 5 by 5. 5 table in 5 in one time possible. Therefore x equal to 1. It is the first solution. Next problem is the next third question. 7p minus 3 equal to 3p plus 8. 7p minus 3 equal to 3p plus 8. 7p. Now we write the same variable right in the beside. 7p minus 3 is a LHS and it is a RHS. So 7p minus 3 is equal to 3p plus 8. Then I will write the same variable beside right. 7p minus 3p equal to 8. It is a positive, here negative. So negative quantity becomes to positive. 8 plus 3. 7p minus 3p equal to 4p equal to 8 plus 3 11. So p equal to 11 by 4. It is the p value. Next one is the 7th question. 3x plus 4 equal to 5 into x minus 2. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into x minus 2. It is the 7th question. So it is a LHS, it is a RHS. Okay children, here write. 3x plus 4 equal to 5x minus 10. Then I will write the constant values on one side right and the variable values are one side right. So 4, here it is a negative quantity, then it will come to positive quantity. 4 plus 10 equal to 5x minus 3x. Okay. 10 plus 4, 14 equal to 5x minus 3x, 2x. So x equal to 14 by 2. So 2 table in 14, 7 times possible. 7 2s are 14. Therefore x equal to 7. Next question. 8th one. 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. So it is LHS 3 into t minus 3 and RHS 5 into 2t minus 1. So now I multiply the each term in the 3. So 3 into t, 3t plus into minus minus 3 into 3 is equal to, at the same time in 5 is the multiple of each term. So 5 into 2t plus into minus minus 5 into 1. So 3t minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 5 2s are 10 10t minus 5. So 3t minus, now I will write the same variable terms in one side right and constant values are another side right. So 3t minus, it is a positive quantity. Okay. So then we will come to negative quantity. 3t minus 10t equal to minus 5. Negative quantity becomes to positive quantity plus 9. 3t minus 10t minus 7t. Because of here big number is the negative quantity is there. So then I will write the minus 7t equal to 9 minus 5. It is the small number. 9 is the bigger number. So then I will write the positive number is what is the symbol is there. Then I will write the here answer. Okay. So t equal to minus 4 by 7. Okay. Next 11th problem. 15 into x minus 1 plus 2 plus 4 into x plus 3 equal to 2 into 7 plus x. It is the 11th question. Again, 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3 equal to 2 into 7 plus x. Okay, it is the up to here it is a LHS. 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3, it is a LHS. So 2 into 7 plus x, it is a RHS. Okay children. So then now I will multiply the each term with 15 and 4. So 15 into x, 15x, plus into minus, minus 15. Next plus 4 into x, 4x, plus into plus plus, 4 3s are 12 equal to 2 7s are 14 plus 2 into x, 2x. Now I will write the first x terms after constant terms. 15x plus 4x minus 15 plus 12 is equal to 14 plus 2x. 15x plus 4x, 19x minus 15 plus 12. It is a minus 3 because of here bigger number quantity is a negative. So equal to 14 plus 2x. 19x minus 2x. It is a positive quantity becomes to negative quantity is equal to 14 plus 3. Okay, negative quantity becomes to positive. 19 minus 2 equal to 17, x equal to 14 plus 3, 17. So x equal to 17 by 17, one time possible, there x value equal to 1. Okay children, did you understand these problems? Okay, next 13th problem. Next one is the 13th problem. So here also same 8 into x minus 3 minus of 6 minus 2x equal to 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 5 minus x. So it is a LHS, it is a RHS, you know already. So here now multiply the 8 at each term. So 8 into x, 8x minus 8 3 is 24 minus into plus minus 6 minus into minus plus 2x is equal to 2 into x, 2x plus 2 2s are 4 minus 5 into plus 5, 5 5s are 25 plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus 5 into x, 5x. 8x plus 2x minus 24 and minus 6 both are negative symbol is there. Then you will add and keep the negative symbol. 8x plus 2x minus 30 equal to 2x plus 5x minus 25 plus 4. It is a minus 21. 8x plus 2x 10x minus 30 is equal to 2x plus 5x 7x minus 21. So then I will write the x terms and constant terms. 10x minus 7x equal to minus 21 plus 30. So here 3x is equal to 10x minus 7x, 3x equal to 9. Okay, next x equal to 9 by 3. So 3 table is possible of 3 times 3 3s are 9. Therefore x equal to 3. Okay children, these are exercise 2.3 problems. Remaining problems do the homework. Okay children, did you understand? I hope to understand these problems. Okay children. Next exercise 2.4. Find the value of x so that L parallel M. Find the x value so that L parallel M. You know what is the symbol of L parallel M? It means of L line and M line both are parallel is there. Okay children. Okay, here it is a problem. L and M is a parallel lines and it is angles 2x plus 15 degrees and it is a 3x minus 10 degrees. It is a opposite angles. It is a opposite angles. So here it is a solution. Vertically opposite angles and corresponding angles are equal. It is the rule of parallel lines. Vertically opposite lines are equal and corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Now vertically opposite angles are equal. So 3x minus 10 degrees equal to 2x plus 15 degrees. Okay, equal means. So here now I will write the x terms in one side, right, and the constant terms another side, right. 3x minus 2x equal to 15 plus 10. Negative quantity becomes to positive quantity. So 3x minus 2x equal to x equal to 15 plus 10, 25 degrees. Okay, therefore x equal to 25 degrees. So now it is just to find the x value. Okay, not only here this angle and this angle. So here now we substitute the 25 is the x value. 225 is 50 plus 15 degrees. 50 plus 15, 75 degrees. Here also 3 into 25. 3 into 25, 75 degrees. 3 25 is 75. Minus 10, 65 degrees. Okay, just to find the x value. Enough. Okay, children. Next, second question. 8 times of a number reduced. 8 times of a number reduced by 10 is equal to the sum of 6 times the number and 4. The sum of the 6 times the number and 4. Find the number. Did not given the any number. Just you have to take the one number. So let the number is x. 8 times of number. It means 8 times of number. What is the number here? What we have to take here number? X. So 8 times of number equal to 8 into x, 8x. After, if the same time, if 10 is the reduced from 8x here, right? 8 times of your number reduced by 10. It means 8x minus 10. Okay. So next one, 6 times of a number equal to 6 into x, 6x. So if 4 is added to 6x here, sum of 6 times of the number and 4. Sum means adding. So here 6x plus 4. Okay, children, these two equations. Here find the number. So according to the problem, 8x minus 10 equal to 6x minus 4. Okay, so now I will write here same variables. 8x minus 6x equal to 4 plus 10. 8x minus 6x equal to 2x equal to 14. 10 plus 4, 14. So x equal to 14 by 2. 2 table is possible of 7 times. 2 sevens are 14. Therefore x equal to 7. So the number is the 7. What we asking here question? Find the number. What is the number? The number is a 7. Okay, children. Next, third question is the homework. Next, fourth question. A number is divided into 2 parts such that one part is a 10 more than the other. A number is divided into 2 parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. It is here also not given the number. Just you have to take that. If the 2 parts are in the ratio, if the 2 parts are in the ratio 5:3, find the number and the 2 parts. Find the number and the 2 parts. So if a number is divided into 2 parts in the ratio already given to the problem. So 5:3. Let the parts 5x and 3x not only given to the number, then we have to take the x. Let the parts is 5x, 3x. According to the sum, here 5x equal to 3x plus 10. What we write here? Why are you write here like this only? Here one part is 10 more than the other part. So here one part is 5x. Here next 10 more than the other part. Other is the 3x. So 3x plus 10. It is according to the sum. 5x equal to 3x plus 10. So now I will write the here same variable. 5x minus 3x equal to 10. 5x minus 3x equal to 2x equal to 10. So x equal to 10 by 2. So 2 is a possible of 10 5 times. 10 2s are 5 2s are 10. So therefore the number or 5x equal to, in substitution of x value and the substitution of in same numbers. So the numbers are 5x equal to 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Next 3x is equal to 3 5s are 15. So these are numbers. Here asking that what is the asking the question? What are the find the number? What is the number? The number is a x. So, and the two parts. What are the two parts? 25 and 15. Once observe that 25 plus 15, 40. Okay, children? Now, sixth question. Mary is twice older than her sister. Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years' time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Find how old they both now. So then you find two, both are Mary present age and her sister present age, you find them. Okay. First here given to the, both are given to, not only given to the ages. So here let the age of Mary's sister equal to x. Because of here Mary is twice older than her sister. Her sister older than the twice times. It means of 2 times. So Mary's age equal to 2x. Did you understand? Let the age of Mary's sister x and Mary's age is 2x. After 5 years her sister age. After 5 years her sister age. Here in 5 years time, after 5 years her sister age x plus y, and after 5 years Mary's age 2x plus y. So by the problem find the how old they both now. So here it is a Mary's age and it is a Mary's sister. Okay. So 2x plus y equal to x plus 5 plus 2. Why are you write here 2? Why are you write here 2? She will be 2 years older than her sister. She will be 2 years older than sister. Now here write the 2. 2x plus 5 equal to x plus 5 plus 2. Okay, children. So now I will write the x terms and constant terms. 2x minus x equal to 5 plus 2 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 cancel. Therefore, x equal to 2. Okay, children. Here, what is x? Age of a Mary's sister. So, then Mary's sister age is a 2 years. Age of Mary's. So, 2 into x. 2 2s are 4. Then, Mary's age is the 4 years and Mary's sister is the 2 years old. Okay, children. Next one, 8th question. Next one, 8th question. A town's population increased by 1200 people and then this new population decreased 11%. Listen carefully. A town's population increased by 1200 people and then this new population decreased 11%. The town now had 32 less people than it did before the 1200 increases. Before the 1200 increases, 32 people are less than. Find the original population. Now present how many people are there? Okay. Let the present population is x say. The present population is x. Okay. Let the population of a town after the increase of 1200 because of x. It is also not given that, then that is also you find them. Okay. So 11% of present population. 11% of present population. So 11% of x. It means percentage means 11 by 100 into x. 11x by 100. It is 11% of present population. Okay, children. Next, according to the problem, here asking that the town now had 32 less than people if did before the 1200 increase. So 11x by 100 is equal to 1200 plus 32. Okay, children. 1200 plus 32. It is the before. So 11x plus 100 equal to 1232. So 11x equal to 1232 into 100. Cross multiplication. Okay. So here x equal to 1232 into 100 by 11. 11 table 112 times possible in 1232. So x is equal to 112 into 100. So 11,200. Therefore x equal to 11,200. What is this x? The present population of town. The present population of town 11,200 minus 1200. Because of why are you write here minus 1200? Here asking that the town now 32 less than people than did before the 1200 increases. So remaining subtraction of total population 11,200 minus 1200 10,000. So the present population of town equal to 10,000. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.